A misty cold morning. But my neighbour has lent me a tool that I can use to clean up these wood beams that I have here, which are going to go in the kitchen, or up above in the kitchen. And I'm going to play with that for a bit, and I'll see how that works, and hopefully I won't destroy them, which is always a possibility. So with old wood you need a brush, and that's what I have. A wire brush. I'm going to brush it all down, and I have something a little bit softer to finish with, so see how this works. So that's how it's looking now after brushing, and in comparison so there's much more definition from the wood grain, which is cool. I have my power tester, which means I can now test all of the power circles that I've been completing, and I'm going to do that now here. I'm going to turn one of these on and then stick this in a plug and see if we've got power and if it's the correct type of power and there's no like loose connections. For the tile floor, a nice way to end the tiles. These metal strips. So say nice way, it's like the way. Make sure it has a good finish. So our vinyl floor has been delayed, which means that we can't start laying it now, or like we wanted to on the weekend. So we're going to have to wait probably until after Christmas, because it's arriving on the 20th, and you know, Christmas holidays and all that. So yeah, it is what it is. You can't really change it, so we'll have to find other things to do instead. So, what do you think? The old wood from the carpenter's workshop, now integrated as part of the kitchen. It's been a long year, lots of building, lots of steps, and yeah, here we are, the second Christmas that we have been building and doing our project. And we just wanted to say to you all a very Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. It's always nice to have your comments, and I'm glad that you enjoy what we're doing. But I'm glad you find it interesting, and we'll continue to show you the progress into the new year. So have a great holiday, and we will see you then.